All right, so it's around 7 a.m. and we are about to be headed, well, I'm headed to the shop to be able to go pick up the trailer and meet up with Josiah and Victor. So, and I gotta get gas. So, then we're going to New Orleans to test out the RX8, where we put some modified drift knuckles that I had modified, and gonna go see how Josiah feels like he likes the car. That way we can get an idea of what all we need to do for the drift car that we're building. So that's what's going on. All right, so we are about to go on our way to Nola Speedway, and we are driving the twin turbo car there. We have the nitrous car in the trailer. We just put the drift knuckles on the car, and we're gonna have Josiah test out the car to see how he likes how it slides. We did an angle kit on the M3 for his new car, or his old M3, and we're gonna test those out too.
Who built the knuckle kit?
We custom, we cut and welded the knuckles. So we modified them.
How'd you modify the knuckles?
I didn't. My machinist did.
Quick McDonald's stop. Got these old moves on here from 2016. I don't even think these are gonna last a full lap, but time to put them to good use. I like these rims a lot.
Stretch in the morning.
Morning stretches.
So we made it to Nola Motorsports. We're unloading the cars. We're gonna do some sliding, see what we can do. Where's the fifth? It was missing one.
Got Master Nick over here. Look at that speed, precision.
Tighten that side down. I'll put it on, tighten it down.
Alright, Nick's out of here. And we got Victor. Speed, precision.
You got this. Yeah. That's plenty. A1.
Torque him down, Nick. Torque, show me that torque skill.
Nope. Oh no.
One run down the track, and we get a crack splitter.
It was pretty cool. Did you have fun?
Hell yeah. It just, I gotta get the transmission to not change gears while I'm trying to do shit.
Why were you going so slow around those corners?
Cause dude, I don't know what the car's gonna do. It felt like a race car.
It felt like a race car.
Yeah.
What'd you think, Josiah?
Nobody did it with those on them.
All
We had a pretty good day at the track. Tested the knuckles on the RX8, spun out a bunch. Tested the new Lego kit on the BMW, spun out a bunch. But other than that, we're doing good. You got the funnel? Yep. Gotta feed this thing because it has a lot of blow by.